This factory handles animals so dangerous, most people never see this process.
This is where dangerous material enters a process few people ever witness. Before shaping begins, every surface must be purified with absolute care. Moisture must be corrected perfectly. Too much or too little, and the leather fails.
Only after every edge is perfected can the real transformation begin. If this stage fails, nothing ahead can succeed. Precision here shapes everything. Every gram of pressure here decides the strength of the final product. Heat and cooling stabilize the leather's fibers, locking in perfect uniformity for the stages ahead. Every detail is inspected at the microscopic level to prepare the leather for flawless embossing.
Under immense pressure, the leather's new identity is formed, every line and texture defined with absolute precision. Cooling stabilizes the embossed pattern, locking every ridge and every detail into permanent precision.
Clean edges are essential. Every cut must be perfect before reinforcement and coating can begin. Reinforcement coatings protect the leather, enhancing durability while preserving every detail of the embossed grain. Curing locks the coatings into the grain, stabilizing the leather's structure for the next transformation. Color infusion brings the leather to life, layering depth and richness with absolute precision. The packaged unit is sealed, labeled, and dispatched. With every successful handover,
All test results and inspection data are digitally recorded.
Structural reinforcement ensures long-term durability, strengthening the material while keeping its natural flexibility intact.
Thermal harmonization stabilizes the material, preparing it to perform flawlessly in every environment.
Flex calibration ensures the leather moves naturally, maintaining perfect balance between structure and responsiveness. With hybrid reinforcement, the leather gains strength and flexibility, engineered for premium products built to endure. Micrograin sculpting enriches the leather's natural character, elevating depth and feel with engineered accuracy. Flex resilience conditioning strengthens the leather's core, preparing it for real-world movement and long-term durability. Every stress cycle strengthens the leather's core, preparing it for the toughest real-world conditions. Climate conditioning prepares the leather for every extreme: cold, heat, and humidity, ensuring lasting performance. Reinforced hooks and structural anchors transform raw leather into dependable strength, engineered for the products built to endure. With microseal fortification complete, the leather gains its first true shield, engineered for strength, resilience, and real-world endurance. Advanced fiber weave reinforcement boosts strength and flexibility, preparing the leather for high-performance applications. Thermal fusion activates the leather's adaptive core, locking in shape memory for unmatched flexibility and long-term durability.
Precision contour molding shapes the leather into dynamic forms, preparing each piece for high-performance wear and refined craftsmanship.
Edge reinforcement ensures longevity and precision, sealing every contour with flawless structural integrity. Through controlled heat and compression, we fortify the leather's core, ensuring unmatched strength for the products built to endure. Thermal contouring sets the leather's form, sealing its edges and defining the durability that every premium product demands. Deep thermal scanning verifies every hidden layer, ensuring unmatched strength and resilience before the finishing stages begin. Every cut is executed with microscopic precision, shaping panels that form the foundation of high-performance leather craftsmanship. With microbond reinforcement, the leather gains inner strength, built to last while preserving its natural softness. Pre-compression gives each piece its foundational form, crafted for accuracy before cutting begins. Strategic contouring shapes each panel with flawless precision, preparing every piece for premium, form-fitting craftsmanship. With micro-stitch mapping, the foundation is set. Every seam, every curve, engineered for durability, style, and flawless precision. Every edge is sealed with surgical precision, ensuring lasting strength for jackets, bags, and every premium piece we create. With thermal bonding validated, the leather's layered structure becomes unshakably stable, ready for advanced surface refinement. With controlled thermal flexing, the leather gains adaptability, soft enough to shape, yet strong enough to endure.
Each panel is laser cut with microscopic accuracy, shaping every jacket and accessory into a masterpiece of engineered luxury.
Every stitch is tested, balanced, and engineered for endurance, giving each piece the strength to withstand real-world wear.
With each contour refined and every edge perfected, the leather panels take on their true character, ready to be shaped into something extraordinary.
Through controlled thermal contouring, the leather gains flexible strength, shaped to move, engineered to endure. Every hook and metal fitting is engineered into place, reinforcing the leather with strength, precision, and timeless durability.
Every hide is pushed beyond real-world limits, proving its strength before it ever becomes a jacket, glove, or rugged accessory.
Laser refinement perfects every edge, sealing strength and beauty into a flawless, enduring contour.
In this stage, surface integrity is perfected, each layer strengthened and protected, preparing the leather for real-world performance.
With thermal scanning and flex stress validation, each panel proves its strength, ensuring every jacket moves with unmatched durability and comfort.
With thermal memory stabilization, every panel holds its perfect form, setting the foundation for a flawless, high-end jacket. Every seam is engineered for strength and flexibility, ensuring the jacket moves with you, effortlessly and flawlessly. Through precision thermal bonding, each seam is strengthened and refined, creating a flawless foundation for the jacket's final form. Thermobond fusion locks every edge into lasting perfection, ensuring the leather resists real-world wear without losing its natural elegance.
Every jacket we craft is engineered for real-world resilience, flexed, stressed, and perfected to endure.
Every edge is sealed with absolute accuracy, locking strength, stability, and lifetime durability into each jacket component.
Thermal conditioning reinforces every fiber, ensuring the jacket remains resilient, flexible, and ready for real-world performance.
With precision curing and micro-seal reinforcement, every edge gains the strength and refinement required for true premium craftsmanship.
Thermofusion strengthens every layer, locking durability into the grain while preserving the leather's natural elegance. A nano-thin seal binds strength to beauty, shielding every grain with precision-engineered protection. Every element, rain, heat, dust, cold, and time, tested and mastered. The leather proves its strength. Bent, twisted, stretched, and the leather returns to form every time. Flexibility engineered to endure.
The grain is examined at the microscopic level kindle. Strength, density, and purity confirmed for premium performance.
Wait, zoom in on this microabrasion. See that? Yes.
We need to log this as a B-grade cosmetic fault.
Here, precision begins. Cobra pattern leather is cut with robotic accuracy, ensuring every jacket panel. In this stage, every leather piece is cut with perfect accuracy. Advanced machines shape the edges.
In this stage, every leather panel is stitched with absolute precision.
In this stage, each leather panel is sealed, bonded, and strengthened under extreme precision. With every stitch, every test, and every precise adjustment, each jacket earns its identity.
With this final batch complete, the factory prepares for its next evolution.